Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.